When I was a kid, even before I could drive, I had imaginations about how I was going to build some kind of automobile for myself. You know, so I read car magazines. I did all, you know, I was a complete gearhead. So even before I was able to drive, I took the engine out of my parents' car and I rebuilt it, and I did all kinds of stuff like that. So I've had a interest in mechanical things from a very young age.
I've been in sales for a long time, but the product that I sold was electrical and electronics wire and cable. Before working for Michigan Manufacturing, it kind of started there. We did about an 80-20 mix of 80% off-the-shelf cable, and about 20% of it was engineered products. And I started working with the engineer there. We designed a couple of cable assemblies that ended up becoming standard products, and it was a lot of fun. But it's really gone next level with Michigan Manufacturing.
My name is Penny, and I'm the supply chain manager for MMI for 11 years by now.
I've worked, really worked closely with engineers, with my customers on designing products, and have had a lot of input into design of parts that have gone into production, to the point where I feel like my input has been valuable and valued by the customers that I deal with.
When I was in school as a kid growing up, just a strong bent towards math and science, where I did very well with that, and I actually came from a background, my dad was an engineer, so I grew up around that, and then of course went to college, got an engineering degree, spent 8 years working in design engineering before I transitioned into sales. So I already had that background in place of the engineering, and saw how I could apply it from the sales side, because we do have a real technical sales sort of an approach here with the type of things we're dealing with, sometimes complex parts and that type of thing. So just knowing how some of the different processes work, how designs work, what things work, what don't, issues that you can have with designs and how to make them better. It's just been something that's kind of progressed naturally from that.
We're almost like if you took 4 of our competitors or 5 competitors and combined them into one, that's us. So we don't really have a direct competitor, because we do what a lot of different companies do as one company.